Did you know that eggs are a healthy food that you can have on a daily basis? The process of atherosclerosis begins with damage to the endothelium, the inner lining of the arteries, often caused by factors like high blood pressure, smoking, or high cholesterol levels. Once the endothelium is damaged, cholesterol and other cellular waste products accumulate at the site, leading to plaque formation. Why are eggs so feared? Eggs have long been feared due to their high cholesterol content. One large egg contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, which is more than half of the daily recommended intake. This has led to the belief that consuming eggs can raise blood cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. However, recent research has shown that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is more complex than previously thought. How much dietary cholesterol is absorbed? The amount of dietary cholesterol absorbed varies between individuals but typically ranges around the 20%. This variability is due to genetic factors, differences in the gut microbiota, and the presence of other dietary components that can affect cholesterol absorption. Most people absorb around 20% of the cholesterol they consume. Importantly, when dietary cholesterol intake increases, the body compensates by producing less cholesterol, maintaining a balance. How much cholesterol is produced by the liver? The liver plays a crucial role in cholesterol metabolism, producing about 75% to 80% of the cholesterol needed by the body. This endogenous production ensures that essential functions, such as the formation of cell membranes, production of hormones, and synthesis of vitamin D, are maintained. When dietary cholesterol intake is low, the liver increases its production to meet the body's needs, and conversely, when dietary intake is high, the liver reduces its production. Why is cholesterol important for optimal health? Cholesterol is essential for maintaining optimal health. It is a vital component of cell membranes, providing structural integrity and fluidity. Cholesterol is also a precursor for the synthesis of steroid hormones, including cortisol, aldosterone, and sex hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. Additionally, cholesterol is necessary for the production of bile acids, which aid in the digestion and absorption of dietary fats. What is the impact of clogged arteries? Clogged arteries can have a significant impact on health, leading to conditions such as coronary artery disease, carotid artery disease, and peripheral artery disease. These conditions can cause chest pain, shortness of breath, and muscle weakness. In severe cases, they can result in heart attacks or strokes, which can be fatal or lead to long-term disability. Therefore, maintaining arterial health is crucial for preventing these serious health issues. How does fatty liver contribute to clogged arteries? A fatty liver, or hepatic steatosis, occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver cells. This condition is often associated with obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. A fatty liver can lead to inflammation and fibrosis, which can impair liver function and contribute to dyslipidemia, a condition characterized by abnormal levels of lipids in the blood. Dyslipidemia, in turn, increases the risk of developing atherosclerosis and clogged arteries. Fatty liver also promotes the release of inflammatory cytokines and free fatty acids into the bloodstream, which can damage the endothelium and accelerate plaque formation. How insulin resistance contributes to clogged arteries. Insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, is a key component of metabolic syndrome and a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance leads to elevated blood glucose levels, which can cause damage to the blood vessels. It also promotes an increase in free fatty acids in the blood, contributing to dyslipidemia and inflammation. These factors together accelerate the development of atherosclerosis and increase the risk of clogged arteries. Insulin resistance is also associated with high levels of small, dense LDL particles, which are a lot more atherogenic than larger, less dense LDL particles. What other factors contribute to clogged arteries? Several other factors can contribute to the development of clogged arteries, including high blood pressure causes damage to the arterial walls, making them more susceptible to plaque formation. Smoking introduces toxins that damage the endothelium and promote inflammation and plaque buildup. Poor diet. High intake of artificial sweeteners, trans fats, and refined sugars can increase blood cholesterol levels and promote atherosclerosis. Lack of physical activity leads to obesity, high blood pressure, and poor cholesterol levels, all of which increase the risk of clogged arteries. Genetic factors. Family history of heart disease can increase an individual's risk of developing atherosclerosis. Chronic inflammation. Conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus can cause chronic inflammation, which contributes to arterial damage and plaque buildup. So, what is the truth about eggs and clogged arteries? The truth about eggs and clogged arteries is that consuming eggs does not impact blood cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food, providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. They are also an excellent source of choline, which is important for brain health and liver function. Recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has a relatively small impact on blood cholesterol levels, since most people only absorb around 20% of it. The body regulates its cholesterol production based on dietary intake, and other factors such as trans fat intake, overall diet quality, and lifestyle play a more significant role in heart disease risk. What are the nutrients in eggs? Eggs are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. These are protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Vitamins. Eggs are rich in several vitamins, including B vitamins, B2, B6, B12, vitamin D, and vitamin A. These vitamins support energy production, brain function, and immune health. Minerals. Eggs provide important minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium. These minerals play a role in oxygen transport, immune function, and antioxidant defense. Choline. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient essential for brain development, nerve function, and liver health. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants, found in egg yolks, are important for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. While eggs have been feared for their cholesterol content, current evidence suggests that they can be part of a healthy diet. Eggs provide numerous health benefits, and their impact on blood cholesterol levels and heart disease risk is minimal compared to other dietary and lifestyle factors. Maintaining a healthy food plan, rich in nutrients and low in trans fats and refined sugars, along with regular physical activity, is key to preventing clogged arteries and promoting overall cardiovascular health. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, understanding the surprising truth about eggs and clogged arteries requires a new perspective on dietary cholesterol and its effects on cardiovascular health. Clogged arteries, or atherosclerosis, result from the accumulation of plaques made up of cholesterol, fatty substances, cellular waste products, calcium, and fibrin in the artery walls. This condition can significantly impede blood flow and lead to severe health consequences like heart attacks and strokes. Eggs have long been feared due to their high cholesterol content. However, research has demonstrated that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels is more complex than previously understood. Consuming eggs does not substantially affect blood cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. The body regulates cholesterol production, and the liver produces about 80% of the cholesterol needed by the body, adjusting its output based on dietary intake. Cholesterol is essential for numerous bodily functions, including the formation of cell membranes, production of hormones, and synthesis of vitamin D. It's important to note that clogged arteries can result from various factors such as high blood pressure, smoking, poor diet, lack of physical activity, genetic predisposition, and chronic inflammation. Among these, conditions like fatty liver disease and insulin resistance, which are often associated, significantly contribute to the development of atherosclerosis by promoting inflammation, dyslipidemia, and endothelial damage. Eggs are nutrient-dense and provide high-quality protein, essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a rich source of choline, crucial for brain health, nerve function, and liver health, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. While eggs do contain cholesterol, their overall impact on heart health is minor when considering the body's regulatory mechanisms and the broader dietary context. The misconception that eggs are a major contributor to clogged arteries stems from an oversimplified view of dietary cholesterol. Recent studies highlight that the primary factors influencing heart disease risk are trans fats, overall diet quality, and lifestyle choices rather than dietary cholesterol. A healthy food plan that includes eggs can be part of a heart-healthy lifestyle, provided it is low in saturated fats and refined sugars, and complemented by regular physical activity. So, while the fear surrounding eggs and their cholesterol content persists, current evidence supports their inclusion in a healthy diet. Eggs offer numerous health benefits without significantly increasing the risk of clogged arteries for most individuals. The key to preventing atherosclerosis and promoting cardiovascular health lies in maintaining a healthy food plan, staying active, and addressing other risk factors such as high blood pressure, fatty liver, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation. By understanding the true impact of dietary cholesterol and embracing a holistic approach to health, you can make informed choices that support long-term well-being. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.